Hi everybody, Lorraine here. I'm downstairs to play with some paint again. I just covered my little 8x10 canvas with some white paint. Just getting the air bubbles out of it right now. And I have an idea of what I'm going to do here. I'm thinking about a butterfly. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a phthalo blue. I have my Rogue here. I have a cobalt blue, a Naples yellow by Master's Touch. I have a violet, and I have a, I think this is a folk art gold mixed up here, along with my white and my black. And I'm just going to work on doing a butterfly, and I think he's going to be orientated kind of diagonally on the canvas. So I might be using the straw, I might be using some skewers. I'm just going to go for it and see what I come up with here. So, let's see. Got some new little squeeze bottles. So, I'm going to say his center is about, right here. So I'm going to work off of that as an idea. And just going to put some colors in here. A little of the Naples yellow in here. Okay. Not sure exactly how this is going to turn out with, I think I just got a sliver for my skewer there, with the straw or with the skewer, either way. Kind of liking that. A little bit more of this phthalo blue in here. Kind of on the outer edge. With some of the cobalt. That cobalt blue is really pretty in there. I think I'm going to put a little bit of the violet in. Just a touch here and here. Let's see how that works out. Love it when a plan comes together. Try working on this side a little bit. Let's see. it out. Trying to kind of get my center line going here. Bring some of this deep magenta in here. I love this color. I think I only work with colors I love with. Work with colors I love. Love with? That sounded strange. And some of the Naples yellow. I'm just gently working them out, and then I can move them around a little bit, stretch it out a little bit more if I'd like to. Okay, let's take a look at his shape here. Tilt it just a little bit. I want to see how much paint I have here. Not too bad. Not too bad. I think I'd like a little bit more of the blues along here. A little bit of the cobalt and the phthalo. This is the cobalt. Maybe a touch of the Naples yellow. Okay. And there's our wings. The skewer here, and this is, I'm just going to put a little bit of a idea in here of where I want to see the body of the butterfly. Pull off a little bit of the excess paint in the middle there doing this. I don't want to move it around too much because I don't want to destroy the shape of the wings. I'm going to take my black and just put a little bit of it. I don't know if you can see me here. I'm just going to put a little bit of it on the tip of the skewer. I don't want a ton of it. Get my hand to be steady here. And that is where I want the body of my butterfly. But I think I have too much paint on there. I'm going to try and soak some off a little bit here. See if I can. See if I can steady my hand here enough to just give him little. There we go. Antennae. If that's what butterflies call them. Okay. I think he's very pretty. I'm going to bring some things in here. Move this up a little bit closer together. Put some little swirlies in here, because they just seem to be the right thing to do. I'm not sure why. Probably because I just want to play with the paint, and I don't want to be finished with it. Okay, very pleased with this. I might come back later and do a little bit of an outline on the wings. And I may just leave it the way it is, I'm not sure. Get a little blue right there. Cover it up. Okay, I think I'm going to call that finished. I will bring the camera down so you can take a look. I think I'm going to give it a little bit of a torch here because I see a few little cells coming up, which tells me there's a little air in the paint. So it kind of gives it a nice, cool little effect too. Okay, I'll bring you down. So here we are, the end result. Beautiful butterfly. I hope you like my videos. Please subscribe if you do and share them with your friends. Thanks for watching, everybody.